Ekene ngwenye management because atoboto si wepu ago. I will say it. Atoboto si megene si wepu ago. This video na fana kweba bu video of a pastor. As in on a forceful entry na the church member. Yes. As in on a go ban the church member. So because na enjoy with the video he has never he's still a suspect and has not been proven guilty. In other words, he is still a suspect in the eye of the law. He is still a suspect. Oscar gina kamfuna ampatana tomorrow jidegi ebiji phone iphone manwa. No report to police, you are a suspect. You can get handed so couldn't matter the terms of the law before a sema no. As long as you don't that in back court or police station, that person is a suspect until after investigation. The law will be the one to say that he is guilty. He is guilty in Anya and Kegu, but is the person guilty in the eye of the law? But that is by the way. This man not here now. I'm not my boy man. Man, I will only be a melody this and will post the video very well. Man, and Cabo pastor, that is one you with the key again. Kuno manana. Aqua kebe, aqua canne. Onye ọbụla je reform ebe ọ nọ. Onye ọbụla je making reform ebe ọ nọ. The reason ji wepụta na ekwu okwu is not as if na hate church or because now dịka anya sị na a na-agba church mgba no ana m agba church mgba. I am talking based on what is the fate of the next generation coming up. I'm going to make a video here about a pastor and only support where he claimed that he's a pastor allegedly. So this person now, another pastor, you want to check who see a good anya station, who see a megodo. He's looking as if no onye accused and accused. Man, he more than 20 na point. You should be remorseful. You should be remorseful. I'm not saying the guilty because I'm not on there. Yeah, if you don't fall off. But I'm trying to use it to pass a message to people. Oborebeni na ako bam kwa drum kwa band ko ni aka. Enwe video ijele na share sinonya ahụ pastor ya. I pastor na omalo ogodopota. Opota send the church member na say ngoba mmanya. Say kwa biko. Say my gene, say me pese piwe ho pepe. Now the only thing that matters is in Kenya chuku. No chuku ya judge. Man, and all those things aboro njo. Ocho a Bible verse that is sweeting to the soul. We're saying ebe Paul na sitimutu nyangoto ihe because of her fear. Ocho that part where we justify your claim your nango. Which if that in the Bible say that do not be drunk with wine, but rather with the Holy Spirit. These are some of the terms and then marriage again. I justify her. One was in my video. One mother say, also, I keep mother today. As a pastor, there is a verse that covers it. For example, Moses ubulu mmadụ n'ihe ubulu mmadụ n'ihe David zipulu mmadụ n'ihu agha mee onye ahụ sign on his death warrant sign on that he will not come back from that battle despite being the strongest man there just because no chọrọ ịnala onye ahụ nwunye the man jeje nwụọ n'agha the man nwụọ n'agha. David, out of that thing now, was that intercourse between David and that woman brought up the birth of Solomon. So it just you want to say, what is the difference between David, Moses, and Cain? All these people committed the same crime, but one was punished, two were spared. But on Kahabo story for another day. What am I saying? All these people in our church, most of our church leaders are suffering. On what I born at the home. Even was in the okwu na some matter that an ababogasiba. Let us start with Catholic Church, for example. Ababogasiba his sisters na gabiga na kan de father. Even most people request reading that highly that white eye, it is dirty. It is stained with blood. Highly. Because most of them are kahadu kwa ocha. Akahade hocha. Opposite the na go na church. They have a pitacha kebe hana kwesere piaka. Ibazia na our Pentecostal churches today. Sabugodo okwu nke ndị money mongers aside. There is a deep issues more than these money mongers aside, in the sense that young girls are no longer safe. Most especially in the take vulnerability of them. Ndana patambia kute pastor for counseling. You give your mother for counseling, and you are decided to share your deep secret in a mother to somebody. A lot of them will capitalize on it. Chete mumbai no logo for Daniels. For Daniels. Chete mumbai no logo ya. We stood our ground and said that it will never happen again. Personal drug mad. Nka mejibu ni maro for Daniels. Je check that pastor has no my prophecy about Tinubu. He win. Mana no manche. Ihe na emi abro Tinubu na emi. There's a deeper story more than that. There is a deeper story more than that. Church member will celebrate it. Man, we cannot stand aside. I watch the bandits taking over the altar of God, corrupt other people. It is not going to work, not in my presence. Thou shalt not judge, but the law of the land will judge you when you are found guilty with evidences on ground. His church is functioning today. Manafeidane is spending the rest of his life in prison because there are so many evidences against him. The victims, most of them don't want to speak up, but the few ones that came out and spoke up was what jailed for Daniels. Abia capitalizes there. Now the government. It is not government. I'm the story very, 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 very well. Very, very, very well. Na church if Daniels Campbell's or Pia keyboard for the first time. So now saying I'm mad that story very, very well. I'm very well. So then this man Keta Oga, if we pastor, bolo one negable pastor, bolo ni suffer go pastor brutality, bolo ni suffer go father's brutality on anywhere. Most of them don't want to come out and speak because now they will judge you, because even when you stood behind her husband as a mother, as a woman, people came out saying hey, you find a way to defend your husband. Or is that when you arrange after on Sunday, make a husband and wife and just to deceive the public? Most of them are worse than demons. That most of them are worse than demons. Because I keep saying it. Number one, everybody jail church asking so money to see the pastor. See about poor. I'm still repeating it. Everybody jail asking a VIP service. Monday for pastor tata Monday for pastor next week. Monday for pastor in 2 days time. See the poor. Everybody jail. Asigi golunka ozo. CD po na bless no. It is better ni good. Okamana church na ele that in ele. Moto na bless you already. Na ha na ele and they have it in their position. You buy it and bring it ke bless elegi. Mananke bona gije weli na bless you already. CD po. I am not against church in the timing of visitors. For example, when some churches were BJ, I say that now on Monday, Haji Afon, this year abroad, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Haji Afon this year abroad. Then Friday, Saturday, Haji Afon dinner within. I am not against that one. Got a kwani henne uko. Mana once obahana VIP, whether it's abroad, misila abroad, we take go VIP here for pastor and then Wednesday go VIP. I join us queue depending on where line Haji we do, ujuelwe. You have no business associating there, because so many of them has left God and they are now seeking money. A lot of them were houses here abroad, or in Nigeria, they would relocate their family abroad. A lot of them are a lot of people started well, but the Bible said the love of money is the root of all evil. God,